If you're dealing with mild conjunctivitis pink eye, there are several natural remedies you can try to alleviate discomfort and promote healing. Here are some effective options: cold compress, soak a clean, lint-free cloth in cool water, wring it out, and gently place it over your closed eyelids. This can help reduce swelling and soothe irritation. Avoid pressing hard to prevent any injury to your eyes. Warm compress. For cases where there is discharge, a warm compress can help loosen crusts and relieve discomfort. Use a clean cloth soaked in warm water and apply it to your eyes for a few minutes. Saline solution. Rinsing your eyes with a saline solution can help flush out irritants and reduce inflammation. You can make a saline solution by mixing 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 cup of distilled water. Ensure the solution is at room temperature before using it. Artificial tears. Over-the-counter artificial tear drops can help keep your eyes moist and relieve dryness and irritation. Look for preservative-free options for the best results. Honey and water. Mixing honey with warm water, 1 part honey to 2 parts water, can create a soothing eye wash. Honey has natural antibacterial properties, which may help in some cases of conjunctivitis. Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel can be diluted with water and applied around the eyes, not directly in the eyes, to help soothe irritation and inflammation due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Chamomile tea bags. Brew chamomile tea, let the bags cool, and then place them over your closed eyes. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and irritation. Avoid allergens. If your conjunctivitis is allergy-related, try to identify and avoid allergens that may be triggering your symptoms, such as pollen, dust, or pet dander. Important note: while these remedies can provide relief for mild cases of conjunctivitis, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional if symptoms persist or worsen, especially if you experience significant pain, vision changes, or if the condition is recurrent.